Level up your money moves, funding your Novo account like a boss. Upbeat intro music fades. You ever feel like your bank account is stuck in the Stone Age? Paper checks, endless fees, and a customer service line that resembles a black hole? Yeah, been there. That's why I made the switch to Novo. But wait, before you ditch your old bank and dive headfirst into the Novo experience, there's one crucial step: funding your account. Don't worry, it's a breeze, and this video will show you exactly how to do it. So, why Novo? Glad you asked. Novo isn't your typical bank. Think of it as the cool, tech-savvy cousin of traditional banks. It's built for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and anyone who wants a modern banking experience. We're talking sleek mobile app, instant notifications, and zero hidden fees. Plus, Novo integrates seamlessly with all your favorite financial tools. Now, back to that funding question. There are actually a few ways to get that sweet cash flowing into your Novo account. Let's break them down, shall we? Method 1. The Instant Hero ACH Transfer. This is the fastest and most common way to fund your Novo account. Think of it as a digital money mover. Here's how it works. Open your Novo app. It's sleek, it's user-friendly, basically the Ryan Reynolds of banking apps. Look for the Fund Account option. It might be hiding under a superhero cape, but it'll be there. Choose ACH Transfer as your funding method. Now comes the part where you connect your Novo account to your existing checking or savings account. Novo uses a secure system called Plaid to make this happen. Enter the amount you want to transfer and hit that glorious Confirm button. Boom! Your funds should appear in your Novo account within 1 to 3 business days. Faster than a speeding delivery drone, right? Method 2. The classic Crusader mobile check deposit. Maybe you're still clinging to the checkbook life. No worries, Novo's got you covered. Here's how to deposit a check with your phone. Open the Novo app. Told you, it'll be your new best friend. Find the deposit check option. It might be disguised as a tiny magnifying glass, but trust me, it's there. Follow the on-screen instructions. Novo will guide you through taking clear pictures of both the front and back of your check. Enter the amount of the check and hit Submit. Novo will process your check electronically, and the funds should be available in your account within 3 to 5 business days. Just a heads up, there might be a small fee for mobile check deposits, but Novo will be upfront about that before you submit. Method 3. The Direct Deposit Dynamo. Getting paid directly into your Novo account is the ultimate time saver. Here's the lowdown. Log into your employer's payroll portal or website. Find the section for adding a new direct deposit account. Enter your Novo account details, including your routing number and account number. These can be easily found within the Novo app. Double-check everything for accuracy. Nobody wants a payroll mix-up. Hit Submit and voila! Your future paychecks will be deposited straight into your Novo account, ready to spend, save, or invest. Bonus tip: link your favorite tools. Novo plays well with others. You can easily connect your favorite financial tools and services to your Novo account. Think expense trackers, budgeting apps, or even investment platforms. This way, all your financial data is in one centralized location, making money management a breeze. There you have it. Funding your Novo account is a piece of cake. With these methods at your disposal, you'll be a Novo pro in no time. Remember, Novo is all about empowering you to take control of your finances. So ditch the banking stone age and join the Novo revolution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.